Do you still have to buy or sell your home but you're really worried about COVID-19? Let me take you behind the scenes to show you how my team and I are going to do this as safe as possible. Your health and safety matter the most, so we make sure we carefully follow all BC real estate health guidelines. When Sarah called us to help her find her dream home, we understood the extra stress involved in the process because of COVID-19. So we made sure we were always available for her. And it only took us 6 days to find her dream home while saving her $38,000. On the other side, Eric and Jane were extra concerned about selling their home and showing it to strangers. That's why we screened and pre-qualified every and each potential buyer before we confirmed showings. And to replace open houses, we utilize our powerful social media marketing to target and find the right buyers. And finally, we prepared masks and gloves for all the visitors. Result? Well, we sold it in 9 days in multiple offers. When you trust us with your real estate needs, we take that seriously. If you're looking for a committed, creative, and passionate team, give us a call. Oh, and I'm Karma, making sure everyone's extra safe.